A comet is hurtling toward Earth at a speed of 100 kilometers per second. However, according to observations by astronomers, the comet is only passing close by the Earth, allowing people to witness this unprecedented astronomical event up close. Everyone excitedly rushed outside, but strangely, the comet in the sky was growing brighter and brighter. At the same time, the National Defense Bureau entered a state of highest alert. It turned out that the comet had suddenly changed its trajectory. Not only was it now heading directly toward Earth, but it had also accelerated. Its current speed had reached 300 kilometers per second. If it collided with Earth, it would be a catastrophic disaster. In response, China was the first to launch missiles, followed by dozens more from countries around the world, all aimed at the comet. However, when the explosions were over, the comet remained completely unharmed. Seeing that saving the Earth seemed hopeless, many Defense Bureau staff began calling their families to say goodbye. But just as despair set in, the comet began to decelerate as it neared Earth. What exactly was this object? Could it be preparing to land on Earth? After some calculations, the National Defense Bureau determined the landing site, the Diga Mountains, near headquarters. A large team was immediately dispatched to the location. A giant glowing sphere descended from the sky and hovered over a lake. It gradually came to a stop above the water, then began to shrink. While everyone watched in confusion, the glowing orb suddenly exploded and then vanished. When the smoke cleared, a massive group of humans appeared along the lake shore, thousands of them at a glance. They all looked stunned. The Bureau gathered them together and counted a total of 4,400 people. What was strange was that all of them had disappeared in different years and from different countries. Every single person had somehow traveled through time to the present. The earliest among them was a little girl who had vanished in 1946, and she still looked like she was only 8 years old. What exactly was this mysterious glowing orb? Why had it brought these people here? With countless questions in mind, a Defense Bureau investigator decided to apply for a full investigation. 3 years ago, his son had gone on a picnic with his nephew, during which the nephew suddenly vanished. Ever since, his son had remained in a coma. The investigator was determined to find his nephew and learn what really happened that day. He had searched for 3 whole years, but his nephew had seemingly vanished without a trace. And now, among the group of returned missing people, his nephew was one of them.